Introduction of the machine. Open the case, you will see the leather table, leather head. Now we turn on the machine. Introduction of the control panels. This is emergency stop. This is for the exhaust fan button. This is the machine turn on and off. This is the control panels. This is the button is control the light of the CCD camera. Now we turn on the machine. The machine will be resetting. Okay, now the resetting is successful. The introduction of the control panels. Now you see this control panel is LCD controller, and it's very easy and simple. Left, right, up and down. Control the lead head. Go. Z down, Z up. It means make the table go up and down. Menu. How to change the language of the controller panel. Menu. Choose the language you want. Now we change it to English. The parameters, most parameters you can see in the controller. User parameters, vendor parameters, and you can see the parameters in the software too. Vendor parameters. The password is RD. Eight. Enter. X, Y, Z, U. Original set. Controller settings. IP. This is the controller IP. The pulse pulse for the laser test. The pulse is for the laser test. Pulse. These buttons control the light. The 3-1. This bottom is control the light, control the camera lens. The second one, first one. 这3个分别控制什么呢？ Menu, vendor settings, machine configurations, protection on. Protection on, it means when you open the case, the machine will stop working. If protection on. You can normally, if you open the case and want the machine to working, you can use this magnet to touch this one and then open the case. The machine can working.